Welcome to Benidorm. Benidorm, located on the breathtaking Costa Blanca in Spain, has become an irresistible destination for British travelers seeking sun, sea, and an unforgettable holiday experience. In this immersive video, we delve into the reasons why Benidorm holds a special place in the hearts of so many English tourists. First and foremost, the remarkable climate of Benidorm is undoubtedly a major draw. With over 300 days of sunshine each year, this Mediterranean paradise offers a perfect escape from the often gloomy British weather. The warm temperatures and refreshing sea breeze create an idyllic setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. Another key aspect that captivates the English is Benidorm's vibrant and lively atmosphere. From the iconic high-rise skyline to the bustling promenades and vibrant nightlife, this city never fails to entertain. Its renowned entertainment scene, featuring world-class shows, live music, and themed bars, ensures that there's always something exciting happening. The beach culture in Benidorm is yet another reason why the English flock to this coastal gem. Its pristine golden sand stretch for miles, providing ample space for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or simply strolling along the shore. Water sports enthusiasts will also find plenty of opportunities to engage in thrilling activities such as jet skiing, parasailing, and diving. Furthermore, Benidorm's British-friendly amenities contribute to its popularity. From traditional English pubs and restaurants serving familiar dishes to shops stocked with British goods, visitors can find a sense of home away from home. The warmth and hospitality of the locals, many of whom speak English, further enhance the comfort and ease of British tourists during their stay. Finally, affordability plays a significant role in Benidorm's appeal. The city offers a range of accommodations, from budget-friendly options to luxurious resorts, ensuring that there's something to suit every traveler's budget. The availability of reasonably priced flights and the generally lower cost of living compared to the UK make Benidorm an accessible and affordable holiday destination. So, come along and immerse yourself in the charm and allure of Benidorm as we explore the reasons why it has become a beloved haven for the English. From its irresistible climate and lively atmosphere to the welcoming amenities and stunning beaches, it's no wonder that Benidorm continues to capture the hearts of British visitors year after year.
Don't wanna overthink You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
At the hotel, yeah. Oh my God.
So when you get rommel, ik zie niet van waar, maar...